Hi YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. Tonight's video I shall be picking this Corbin Russwin lock. It's an old school one, or it just says Russwin on there, so maybe not a Corbin Russwin, but I'm guessing it is. Decent bitting. Lock works perfect. The key gets a little bit stuck if you don't keep hold of the plug for some reason. But I'm going to see if we can get it picked on camera. Top of the keyway, it's using an aluminium pick, handle pick, sorry. Starting at the beginning, 1's loose, 2 is, 3 is, 4's binding, click, another click, another click, another click, 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 click. Couple of clicks out of a couple of them, but then it went a little bit dead. I'm sure we'll get there in a second. I've not picked this lock before, but let's just see if we can get into it. A little bugger. That's it. Wasn't too hard. I presume it's picked anyway. Yeah, it was just the tailpiece stopping. I'm going to get that one gutted. If you're wondering whether it's the same kind of place where I filmed the last one, it's literally, I've just picked that Sergeant one. Just picked and got that one, so I'll be making the editing the video later. I just thought I'd spend an hour or so going through as many locks as I can. Just to stockpile my videos, because like I says in the other video, like I've been struggling for time lately. Apart from posting pictures, it's the editing of the video that takes the time. And I do struggle to find time lately. Be interesting to see what's inside this though. So in one, steel pin, number 2 is a steel pin, as is 3. I think we know why this one's going, don't we? 4, 5, right, in the plug itself, nothing really that I can see or feel. Totally standard. See if we can just get these pins turned around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As for the plug, chamber 1 is a steel spool, and 2 another steel spool. I don't think I've picked a lock where everything's just been steel. Maybe I've done one lockwood years ago. 3. Seeing that, I think the GG locks have got steel springs in as well, haven't they? Steel pins. Another spool. It's funny though, because I didn't get any false sets or anything. Standard. And then inside there we have all steel springs, which I'm not going to get out, but you can see them. Just a nice little short video. For any of you who are interested in lock sport, please head over to our Facebook group, Lock Sport Anonymous. The links are down below, and it's also written across here. Bunch of great lads there and girls, all good pickers, really friendly, so don't be scared to join in. And also please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and please leave your comments. I do try and get back to all of them. Thanks for watching, everybody.